So it takes about 11 minutes to print out a little toy ring. Over to matter control so you can see the settings. There we go. And it has been really accurate about timing, so matter control is really good software to use for slicing and printing. I also really like that it tells you whether your 3D model is just the right type. If it has too many polygons or not, it would actually give you an error and tell you to reduce the poly count. And it's just really easy to use. I mean, for everything, even if you need to do like simple real-time edits like rotation and scale and repositioning on the build plate. So there we go. Just made it like this. This was the simple version. I will also have a more complicated version of this ring. But this was just a test to make sure that it actually turned out perfect, which, as you can see, it did.